Welcome to Weekly Digest, where we highlight the works of ministers of government as they push the administration's development agenda. Regional Executive Officers (REOs) from the 10 administrative regions who will act as returning officers (ROs) for the upcoming Amerindian Village Council elections have been urged to ensure the elections are transparent and lawful. Recently, the Ministry of Amerindian Affairs conducted training for the ROs to ensure the process runs smoothly and is free from discrepancies.
The Village Council election is not just a mere formality. It is a fundamental expression of the democratic values that we hold dear. It is through these elections that the voices of our people are heard, their concerns later on will be addressed, and their aspirations realized.
Following the accident at the Demerara Harbour Bridge, which saw a tug and barge crashing into 4 buoys and 2 pontoons, Minister of Public Works Bishop Juan Edgel affirmed that the owner of the tug and barge has the financial burden of repairing the bridge.
The company that is responsible for this, whatever damages they will have to pay. That is not an option. They will have to pay.
The livelihoods of 20 families from the communities of Yakarinta and Napi in Region 9 have been significantly uplifted as they received keys to their new homes through the Hinterland Housing Program. As part of the Hinterland Initiative, 400 houses will be built in Regions 1, 7, 8, and 9.
Right now, in Region 9, we have close to $700 million in contract for the construction of 220 houses, let them and the villages across various villages in Region 9.
The Women Innovation and Investment Network WIN aims to upskill 300 women in plumbing, carpentry, and electrical installation to bridge the existing gap in the labor market.
We're looking at training women and soon men too, but starting with women, 100 plumbers, 100 electricians, 100 carpenters. Yes, this is the move to take women into the unconventional domain. So we are really looking at how we can put women directly into the labor market in the key areas of growth in the country.
Women in business are being encouraged to participate in We Lift 2024, an annual women-centric event. We Lift signifies women empowering, leading, innovating, and flourishing together. The initiative, crafted by Minister of Human Services and Social Security Dr. Vindhya Prasad, gives women a platform to network and showcase their products.
So we started in 2021 with 75 women entrepreneurs. This year we're targeting 250 of them. So far, we have 175 of them. We've opened the call again for another 75, and we are going to be this week returning calls, working with women to see those who will qualify. But we want to tell women, please do not restrain yourselves. Apply. The spot is free. It costs you nothing.
A new mental health and national suicide prevention action plan for Guyana for the period 2024 to 2030 was launched at the Ministry of Health's office on Burke Dam. It was done in collaboration with the Pan American Health Organization.
As we develop this action plan, some of the things that we have been working on in the ministry is how do we decentralize mental health care. Apart from that, one of the things that you will see in the new action plan was an area that we hadn't paid a lot of attention to, and that is the area of substance abuse.
Also, to keep the number of dengue cases at a minimum, the Ministry of Health is looking to procure a new vaccine. Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony was at the time speaking at the sidelines of an event on Tuesday at the ministry's head office on Burke Dam.
We have also been exploring the use or trying to get a particular vaccine now that would cover the 4 different types of dengue. But right now that we are still exploring that because that's a little bit quite expensive actually, the vaccine.
The Guyana Defence Force is set to receive a new offshore patrol vessel following the signing of a Euro $39.5 million letter of intent on Wednesday. The agreement provides for the production and supply of a model of 190 vessel by Oshia Shipbuilding and Industries, which is a French builder of maritime vessels.
So this vessel represents the latest installment in the realization of our President's vision and commitment to ensure that we have a well-equipped army capable of discharging its very important functions.
This has brought us to the end of this edition of Weekly Digest. For these and other government-related stories, do log on to our website at dpi.gov.gy and our social media platforms as well. Goodbye.